Hello and welcome everyone to part 24 of the FJ45 restoration series. So as you saw in the previous episode, we finished painting the sides of the bed, which turned out beautiful. So we painted a stripe and a couple of decals and a couple of letters here and there. Anyway, now what we're gonna do in this episode is finish what we started in the other episode, which is finishing the bed liner of the bed. And after that, we're gonna head straight to assembly. And all we're gonna assemble is some new parts that we showed you earlier. Let's get started. Okay guys, so right here we still have this side and the front side and also the door. Anyway, now we're gonna start by taking some measurements. So as I was watching the previous video, I noticed that we haven't really showed how this stuff works. So first of all, you have this first layer, which is the primer used before applying this. This is an adhesion promoter for this stuff. This stuff sticks on everything. This only sticks on this. So when you want to use this stuff, you need to lay down a layer of this first. Now, after we brush this on, get our torch, we cut the piece into shape, and we heat the back side of it. As you can tell, it's melting because it has a special coat of glue, rubber glue, that mixes with this and they bond forever. This stuff is used in construction, but well, if it seals buildings, sure well it can seal a car. So. And just like that, the outer layer is melted. Now it can stick right on, like so. Then you get yourself something to roll the glue on. Just like that, this piece is stuck on. That's how this stuff works. And now we're gonna finish doing this boring stuff. It's time consuming, so catch you when we're done. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have finished bed lining the bed. It's all done and pretty. All we have to do now is throw on some coats of paint and the special required coat that we used before. Anyway, now we're gonna pause on that and head to the front end straight to assembly. Okay guys, so as you can remember, the left front headlight was glued on, and it was missing the bracket. We got a new bracket for it and we're gonna mount it in right now. First we start by mounting the spring and then sliding in the bolt. So here's the old, fine, good headlamp. This is the new mount. This is the outer ring. Okay guys, so with that done, we can now button up the grill piece, which, well, the eyeliner stuff that goes around the headlights. Okay guys, so this is the piece that I was talking about, the eyeliner, which goes on like so. Okay guys, so we mounted both hood hinges and these things that are seats for the windshield when it falls down, and also we mounted the lamp and the eyeliner and some stuff. Now we're gonna focus on mounting these beautiful pieces of art. It goes like this. You've probably seen these before on the channel because I unboxed them a couple of videos ago. This is gonna finalize the look of the FJ45. Okay guys, so now we're back at the bed. We're gonna start throwing the first coat of, well, you always heard me say this thing. This is what this thing is called, if anyone's interested. So, now that we got that out of the way, let's start applying it over the bed line. Okay guys, so it's the next day, and as you can see, the bed liner is secured and done and finished. This is the final look. Oh no, still have to throw on one coat of paint, which is this color. Anyway, now we're gonna turn our focus back to the front end, and we're gonna start drilling the holes for the hood pins, and then let's see where we go from there. Okay guys, so quick update, we finished mounting the hood pins, and now we're done on the front end. It's all finished up. Now we're gonna turn on focus on the cab. So we're gonna be mounting and installing all the doors, the inside of the doors, like door regulators and windows and stuff, and also the weather stripping, so we can seal the cab. And then over here also we are working on the roof. I'm gonna install it right now. And also so we can seal the whole cab to install the interior. So let's get to work. Stop wasting any more time. Okay guys, so now we are bolting down the roof. OG viewers will remember this was about 6 months ago when we were digging through the bondo to reveal the bolts. Well, it's been a long time. And also the truck has come a long way. Look at it now, look at it how it was before. It was, well, junk, and now it's a masterpiece. Okay guys, so it's the next day here once again, and as you saw yesterday, we finished bolting down the roof. It's all bolted down, everything's tight, and also we started working on the doors. As you can see, we got this thing on, which is the small window, and also the door locks and unlocks. Cool. Now we're gonna start installing the windows and the regulators, but we ran into a little bit of a problem, which is the channel that goes on this side is missing on one of them sides. I don't know which one. Anyway, we have a channel out of a car that I don't remember, maybe the junkyard. It looks like this. This is the one. This is the piece that is for the FJ45. This is the piece that we're gonna make like this to fit the FJ45. So, welcome along to the ride. Okay guys, so as you saw, we finished fabricating every piece. Now it's time to put them together. This goes just like this. This will like this. So all we need to do is weld them together. This just shows you that if there's no parts around you, at least, or if you're fixing an old car that has no reproduction parts, or you couldn't get your hands on some parts on time, or they're just expensive, you can just fabricate some parts with some junk stuff. Like this is, well, scrap metal. So we made everything out of the apron of the Pact ML. So why not? Just goes to show you that you can go and work on cars with no high budget. So it's all doable. Just follow our lead. Well, we're here just to entertain you, so we ain't in school yet, at least. Let's get to it and stop bullshitting around. Okay guys, so just like that, we replicated this piece that we were missing from the other side. So now let's go install it. Okay guys, so we got this roll of rubber matting that we're gonna be cutting into shape. We're gonna use one whole piece around the whole floor of the truck. Guys, we cut these two holes and one on the underside for the handbrake. We did it the one method, which is the tried and true method, the eyeball method. Four fingers stuff. Now we're gonna remove it, set it in with the holes first on the levers, and it will be golden. Okay guys, so a quick update. Here we have the piece of rubber carpet that we're gonna use. We've cut it into shape and you're applying this special glue that you apply on both sides over where you want to apply it and on it too, and that will make sure that it will stick permanently. Okay guys, so as you can see, we finished laying down the rubber carpet, which turned out to be amazing. Now we're gonna start bolting in the seats. Okay guys, so as you can see, the seats are in, and finally the interior is coming back together. All we have to do now is assemble the dash, door cards and some trim, and then the interior is gonna be finished. Now with that being said, we got a lot of progress done in this video. We assembled major parts of the truck together, like the roof and windshield and stuff. You saw what we assembled. Anyway, we still have a couple of stuff that needs to be adjusted, some stuff that needs to be buttoned up, which you're gonna see in the next video. And as you can tell, the truck is getting finished day after day, so which means that this series is coming to an end soon. So make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out on the end product of the truck, and also so you see the next build that we're gonna start on the next series. So subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below what car you want us to restore. See you on the next one. Peace.